Now we're going to explain to you what we are going to run in the first session, which mainly going to be about using the micrometers and the digital calipers, or which we call it the vernier. In the next few videos, we are going to show you how to use every equipment and how to read it and how to make different readings for different objects, as we can see from the example on this table. Okay, so we will start with the calipers first. In front of me here we have the caliper, the one we have from many years, which is the analog one. What we can see here that we call it calipers because it have the two jaw of the calipers that are going to be moved sliding along this ruler. These calipers have three functions for measurements. The first one is the measurement of the thickness, and this will be the reading on the ruler between these two sides of the calipers, or parts of the calipers. We have the fixed one and we have the slide one. If I would like to check the thickness of any part, I'm going to bring the part, put it between the clamp, close this one. We always try to focus on this area, the one at the end, because this will give me the best reading. Usually when I get to hold it with that, I need to lock it, and this will give me the fixed reading. You can see that I'm going to have some force to take off the part, and now I'm going to take the reading from the caliper. What we can see here that the 0 on the main ruler is going to give me the number of the millimeters I need to read, while the lines of the small ruler align with the upper ruler is going to give me the fraction of the millimeters in my reading. I don't know if you can see this one clearly. I didn't read this one yet because I'm using the camera in front of my eyes, but anyway, I'm going to say that I need to go to the computer to see that reading. Anyway, I can see we have something 30, and then the first line to have the the best thing is going to go to my computer and see the video. I think it's something about 30 exactly, or I can see that the best line of alignment is going to be 2. So it's 30 millimeters, 0.2. So 30.2 millimeters is the reading I got for the thickness of that part. Now the other function we can have for the vernier or the caliper is to use these two sides. These two sides has been designed to check what will be the diameters, the internal diameters of the parts. Like for example, I have this circle, and I'm going to check the diameter by putting the caliper. Okay, now I put the vernier here, and again I can lock it. Okay, and take it out and read. Usually we do this movement, just try to check multiple readings until I get to have the best diameter readings. Now we can read the diameter of this one, and I hope you can see this one clearly. I will leave that one to you as an exercise. The third thing we can read with the calipers is using the end. From this end we have this sliding bar going down and up as I'm going to move the ruler. Now this one is going to be used to measure the depth. For example, I have this spot, it's cylindrical shape. I'm going to put it on the table, I'm going to show you that this way. I'm going to put that here, and then I'm going to slide it all the way down. Okay, and now I'm sure that it's fixed there. I'm going to lock it. By locking that, the length here is going to be measured on the calipers here. So once again I can take this reading, and I'm going to leave it once again for you as an exercise. So you can pause this photo and check the readings. again, the 0 with the main ruler is going to be the number in millimeter, and the fraction of the number is going to be the best aligned line in the small ruler with the larger one. For example, if the best alignment I'm going to have here is going to be the 7 with the upper figure above, that means the reading is going to be 45.7. Okay, 45 for the main reading, 0.7 for the best line of the alignment we have for the small ruler. For myself, I still think that this one is a credible device. However, for the ease of the readings, they made the things digitalized. So we have the digital caliper, and in digital caliper we're going to have more advanced method of the reading, because they just added the screen here, which is going to give you the reading directly. Now you will see something when I get to start using this device. Of course, you're going to have the same functions, which is the thickness, the diameters, and also it's have this not only going to be a diameter, of course, this can be a distance between the two gaps. For example, the gap reading is going to be a straight line, and also it's going to be for the depth. To start this one, we always going to press the green one. I need to be sure that this one is calibrated. It's not, so I'm going to press that. Now it's calibrated because the reading can show me that it's 0. As I'm going to slide this one, the number is going to increase. So I'm going to stop here. This reading is 35.25. 35.25. So the digit we have after the point was 2, 3. That means it can give you the reading in hundredth of millimeter. The previous one can give you to the 10th of the millimeter, and that will increase the accuracy of this one. Of course, we have something called the accuracy and something called the precision, and I'm going to talk about these things as we go. Now that's all with the calipers. Just to be sure, after we finish using these calipers in the lab, turn off this one to save the battery, use the tissue to clean everything before we are going to put it back in the box and go to the other tool. Thank you very much.